Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere free version. Okay, free version of keywords everywhere. I don't think you can easily find out anywhere. I don't think so because the keyword everywhere extension is actually the data and everything is pulled out from the keywords everywhere server and through an API key authenticated to be a paid account, a paid access. So you cannot get keywords everywhere free version anyway. So if anyone is telling you that there's a free version anywhere, it's not true. Okay, don't fall for any of such gimmicks or pranks. The keyword everywhere is a paid extension and you have to pay for it to have access to the data and the information. So there is no keyword everywhere free version anywhere. The only thing you can do is that maybe if you know someone who has a paid version and you can share with the person can give you access to it free because multiple API keys can be generated on the same account and can be used by multiple people, different people. In one of our videos on keywords everywhere, you can see how that can be done. All you just need to do is to go to the API page and request for a new API using that same email address. And once it's sent to the email address, the person that has access to the email can copy the API and send it over to you. So that'll be all on this video, guys, on keywords everywhere free version. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.